drinking game. Every time I say spooky, take a shot. You will be hammered by like video 3, I promise. Hi everyone, I don't know if you've noticed, but Hillary and I wear some sort of Halloween themed shirt in every single one of our DIY videos. And today I'm showing you how you can make one yourself with something you probably already own. Do you have an old sweatshirt laying around? I do. A hot iron and these inexpensive iron-on letters. Okay guys, this project could not be any easier. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna lay your sweatshirt out, turn your iron on, and make sure that it's pretty hot and no steam and no water coming out of it. You want a dry iron. I'm gonna gather my letters. I've got them right here. So I've linked the box of letters that I purchased from Amazon in the description box below. You get tons of letters for super cheap. You're not gonna run out. I'm able to make 3 or 4 different phrases from one box. And you know when you get letters and there's like only one E, but you need 4 E's? This box has got plenty of letters. So like I said, this is just super easy. I'm gonna take my letters and I'm just gonna line the phrase up on the front of my sweatshirt. I'm just gonna make sure it's totally centered, and I'm just eyeballing this. I am a perfectionist, but this is one area where I just eyeball stuff. You could get a ruler out and make sure, you could level it, you could make sure that it's totally perfectly straight. I'm just gonna eyeball it and hope for the best. Okay, so once I have all my letters lined up, I'm just gonna grab my hot iron and start ironing the letters on. All you have to do this is go right over the top of the letter. Make sure to not move the letter around because it's gonna take a second for it to stick. And you just use pretty firm pressure with your iron, and I like to use the tip of the iron to kind of get into all the little corners. And like I said, make sure that your iron has the steam and the water turned off so that you're using a completely dry iron. So I'm gonna finish this one up, make one for Hillary, and then we're gonna show you what they look like on.